So guys, today we're taking the GTR and installing some intakes. And also we're gonna go stage 1, tune this car, and see how much power it makes. There you go. Look down here. You see the bolt is right there. Or the... Please, you can see that this is kind of difficult to reach. This is kind of difficult to reach in this angle. So I have to use a swivel one that's able to do at least a 90-degree bend to be able to twist it off. There it goes. The issue was it being underneath. It being underneath like this, both of these. And as you can see, it's up like this, and then the firewall is right there. It's kind of difficult. I don't know why I didn't have it like this on this side. That would have been easier. But I'm assuming they did that because when they're assembling the engine, this was the best option. Next step, find a way to insert this. This is from the stock intake OVM. This one goes in here, funnels air in, goes into the intake filters, and then right into the turbos. in there. A little force. That was kind of bad. That's probably why these are kind of bent. I'm assuming. But I might have to take off this bumper piece. I want to get that in there. Might have to do this side. Because this bar has in the way. So we put it in here, slide it in. Alright guys, now that the intakes are installed, we're going to have to do a tune. Now this is because these intakes are 3 inches. The standard from factories are 2.75. Now being said, because the intakes are 3 inches, they are bigger and they're going to be getting more air. There's going to be more airflow. So this will require a tune. If not, then the GTR will go into limp mode and the map sensor will detect that there's more air. So in order to avoid that, you would have to tune it to stage 1. First you have to turn on the car, set it to on position, and then click OK. And here we go. Top access port will start gathering data, and you can see these are my gauges that I selected. Now let's back out of the screen. Let's go. So today we're gonna be tuning this car to stage 1. So we're gonna go into tune, change ECU map. We're gonna go tune. I'm gonna go select stage 1, 93 octane. Click that. And here we go. This is how we're gonna start tuning. Now during the tuning process, your lights and gauges will flash rapidly. And it says it's recommended charger, a 10 amp charger, which will have our Genius 5. Hopefully that 5 amp is good enough. And here we go, we're tuning. There you go, should be good enough. And there you go. Please turn off the ignition to the off position for 10 to 15 seconds. Off position. There we go.
A few moments later.
There it goes, guys. On position and press OK to proceed. There you go. Full flash stage 1. Continue. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.